So I'm just trying a new camera setup that will let you all see things through my eyes. Not that I can see a f***ing thing. G'day everyone, this is Daniel O'Grady and thank you very much for joining me for another WasabiCars video. Hope you are doing well, and if you like old school Japanese cars, well, I've got a box of magazines here. I've got a bunch of magazines up there and I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to rip a few apart. Yes, I'm going to rip the covers off, see what's inside and extract all the good stuff. Okay, let's get into this. And by the way, 9-second Cresta, have you checked out Benny's Custom Works channel? Of course, that's Mechanical Stig. Do check it out. He's got a couple of videos up and pretty classy. Anyway, let's rip our way through this. Wouldn't want to cut the magazines on the way through. Bit of a rookie error, that one. Here we go. Now, Japanese are famous for their packing. Let's see how we go. Paper, paper, paper. Some sort of hair. I hope that's not nether region hair. Here we go. Okay, can you believe I made a headband out of 3 socks, then clipped my phone to it? Unbelievable. Anyway, here are the magazines. They're all from the mid-late 70s. And it's going to be hard for me to show you page by page all of this stuff. But let's just check out what's on the back, because this is the sort of stuff I like. Nissan All-Star, look at that. That is a stunner. And the next one. Oh my lordy lordy, 610 3S on the rocks. That is a stunner. See, this sort of stuff, you know, you could throw on a wall and it would look pretty amazing. Oh, Cherry X1. Unbelievable. Lancer. Oh, and the back view. That is stunning. Loving that. Oh, and a 710 Violet. Very, very nice. Now, before I start ripping apart a couple of magazines to see what goodness is inside it, let's just talk about the collection, the extent of it at least. I've got a couple of early ones from 1967, 68, and there are some great color adverts in there, like the Mazda Cosmo, the first one, Subaru 360 Young SS, just amazing stuff. Anyway, and then from 1969, as you can see right along the bottom there, I've got a bunch of them, and pretty solid. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, and then it sort of peters out. A few from the mid-late 70s, but of course I just got a stock refresh of those. 81, 82, 85. I've got a bunch more down here. Now these are my doubles. You know, years are mixed, even from 69. Wow. 90s, I got given a bunch from the 90s, and I've actually got another pile of those over in the corner. That's it there. That's a massive stack. And now it's time to pull these apart, and I promise you they won't feel any pain. I've got a selection of 4 magazines from the mid and early 70s, and we're going to pull them apart step by step and show you what is inside. Well, you know, importantly, how to do it. Now, with this type of magazine, it's got that type of binding, and all we do is we peel it off. We peel it off like so. And I think you'll agree it does come apart rather easy. And then the back. There you go. So that's the cover done. And then we can proceed to just peel off the pages we want. Well, just as an example, I'll just peel this away. It's as simple as that. But let's find something interesting. Honda Civic. And there you go, a Honda Civic 4-door advert. Wow. Mazda Roadpacer. And we just peel that off. And there you go. Okay, so I've just found the Roadpacer review. And it's a few pages in. Now we've got to be careful here. We're going to give that a bit of a gap. A bit of a leeway. And we're going to just do that. Now the thing to look out for is there's going to be chunks of glue there, so just make sure. Actually, that's pretty good, pretty flat. Sometimes it sticks up and it rips into the pages a bit deeper. And there you go. That is the Mazda Roadpacer review to go along with the advert. Well, I have gone through those 4 magazines and I will show you now the fruits of my labor. Perhaps the best of the lot is this double page Kenmeri advert. Absolutely amazing, a beautiful coupe. Ken and Mary, it's written right there. That is spectacular. There you go. Now let's just check out some of the other adverts that I've gotten here. Savannah GT, very, very nice. On the back, what is it? A Daihatsu Max. Never see these in the wild in Japan. Where are they? Where are they now? That's what I want to know. Mark II, 2-door. That is a beautiful car. Interesting. Looks newer than the 70s. Interesting. Not sure what that is. Not a Galant ad, but the Spotlight ad. But that is a cool car for sure. Capella, beautiful Capella. Rotary engine badge, very nice. On the back, Subaru 1300G. What is it? An FF something? FF1 or something? Suzuki Fronte, very cool, 71. Bellet 1800 GT, that is amazing. Black and white, but super cool. Look at these images, these illustrations. This just looks great. Another Daihatsu Fellow Max. Oh, another Kenmeri, a 4-door. Ken and Mary are over there. That's very cool. On the back, oh, Subaru Leone, sorry. Yeah, very nice. Corona. I think this is on a double, yeah. Civic 4-door. Next, a couple of this one, Honda Life. And last is this one here, another Violet. So there you go, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was, of course, a little bit different. And I wanted to show another way in which I appreciate cars. I love all the old artwork, the adverts, the car magazines, the road tests. Seeing car in their pristine state, it really is mind-blowing. And that's why I collect all those magazines. So everyone, do follow me on WasabiCars Official on Instagram. And be subscribed if you're not already. And everyone, thank you so much. And I will catch you next Saturday.